Hi, Master JJ here. I come here join with our Master Kim. Alright, I'm going to introduce you guys all, those are watching here. Normally we have frozen shoulder. They are talking about frozen shoulder. So what we're going to do here without medicines, we're going to use our hand only, we're going to release. Alright, first of all, we have to check cervical. Cervical, we have 7 vertebra. That means we call vertebra. There is each vertebra got their parts, eyes, mouth, and all that hands. Normally, frozen shoulder we have feel. We can get that feel from here. Will run to the fingers. That is C6, cervical 6 we call. Alright, I'm going to introduce here. I'm going to show our Master Kim here. Become a sample here.
Yes.
Alright, allow me. So I'm going to show with my fingers. I'm going to touch here. Master Kim, please let me know if you have any feel pain here. Alright, any feel here?
There's a pressure.
Pressure is there, right?
Yes,
You know, right? If I give you 10, number is 10. We put this one is number 10. Alright, I'm going this side. Alright, here. How many number you can give here?
Here, pain.
Pain.
Pain level, I would say 2.
2.
Yeah, if it is a bit higher, maybe.
Alright, okay. Here.
Yes, here will be 6.
6. Okay, this side. I'm talking about collar.
Here is 5.
5. Alright, we will see after we do the cervical and the hand shoulder, we will see the improvement, how we get that improvement, the number of how Mr. Master Kim told. Am I right? Alright. Okay, now I'm going at the back here. I'm going to check that hand. Alright. Okay. You see here, I'll ask Master Kim to turn the other side. Okay. We see here that gap is so much. Alright, not so smooth. Why not so smooth? Is T1 to T6 is hunch. Slight move forward. We call this kyphosis. Alright. Then turn this side. This is better a bit. Am I right?
Yes.
Alright. So when I go and press here, normally some therapists all that they will show. So I'm going to show same that pressure here, pain. This side.
No. This one is 2. This one is 7.
Right. 7. You know why? 7 is using more on your right hand side. Like because you are left-handed, right? Left-handed is left hand side is strong. Alright. Okay, come. First of all, I'm going to give some cracks, alright, where that gas will release. Then we will see that movement. Alright, can see the hand is not going high.
Yes. In comparison, this one can.
Right. This side is not high, right? Okay, now we will see now the different, slide, different, turn down. Alright, we have to touch the atlas and axis. That means C1 and C2. Okay, relax, Mr. Kim. Breathe in. Alright, relax. Are you okay?
Yes.
Right, good. We have to check with patients. Alright, okay. Now we have to put the leg there because this is too high. And then we have to adjust here first. Don't straight. Then we have to check here. Got small bulge here. Relax. Right. Go down. Alright. This side no sound also. Never mind. That means this side is more stronger. Okay. Mr. Master Kim, can you carry the hand high and see?
Higher.
Different. Can see the different. First,
This one is here.
Yes. First treatment. First treatment. That means we have to repeat, not 40-30 times. Minimum is 7 times you come and adjust. After that, we do like car alignment. After you do alignment, while you're going back, you go inside the hole. What happened? Alignment will run again. You have to adjust, right? We human beings need that. We do work for cari makan.
Agree.
Alright, when we do cari makan, we have to do hurry and make people satisfied. But our body, we have to look after. Come and visit Master K
And Master
JJ. Alright, sir. Come this side. Okay, I'm going here to adjust here, press here, go up. Alright, you have that sound?
Yes.
That where we call that release. Now we go here, this side. Go up, relax. Relax, bro, relax. Alright, this we will have some discomfort pain for a while. For a while only, right? Okay. when master we are doing this, sometimes ladies they will have discomfort pain, different tolerance, right? Alright, we check,
better.
right? We massage here the slide. We use Mr. Kim style, Master Kim style. Alright, then you will feel difference, right? Then we release from the ears here, arteries here. Simple, relax. Right, he's very good, he's strong, right? Okay, now this side. This side have, okay, right hand side, because they always go with coordinations.
Yes.
Right side will go left side.
Correct.
Am I right,
agree?
sir?
Yes, I agree.
Now we turn that head and see this side.
Oh, a bit more already.
A bit more, can see, right? Now this side, much better.
Much better.
Right, carry these two hands and see, higher.
Eh?
Am I right? This is simple way. Simple way, adjust cervical. Tomorrow you guys will have some discomfort. 36 hours will go off. Alright, this is from Master JJ, frozen shoulder.
Frozen shoulder.
Right, here we got more some more. Alright, thank you Master Kim.